Whenever I get Chinese takeout, no matter what I order, it seems like I always add an egg roll at the last minute. I mean, who doesn't love a good egg roll? So let me share with you a dish that we recently came up with that has everything we love about egg rolls without all the work. We start by sauteing some ground pork in a skillet, crumbling it as it cooks. While that finishes up, we mix together some soy sauce, garlic powder, a bit of ginger, and some black pepper. Once the pork is cooked, we add in a bag of coleslaw mix, some cut scallions, the soy sauce mixture, and our secret ingredient, Thai chili sauce. We'll let this cook for a few more minutes until the cabbage starts to soften up. Now, rather than rolling the mixture in egg roll skins and frying them, we simply serve it in a bowl topped with some crispy fried noodles. Or, if we really want to go all out, how about pan frying some wonton skins to serve right along with it? There you have it, the taste and the crunch of egg rolls served up in a bowl for a novel twist. And whether you serve this as a hearty lunch or as a fun change of pace dinner, you can't miss. As always, the recipe for our egg roll in a bowl is online now. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found hen hao wei. That means very good in Chinese. Or, as we say, ooh, it's so good.